I'm gonna do a quick review on this hoodie I was sent to do a review on. It's from Willit. Comes in a lot of different colors. This is a blue here. Got a hood on the back, long sleeve. This one here is an extra large. I'll show you how it looks on me, so you get a idea how it looks. If you're outside working in the summertime, so you don't get sunburn, or it's good. If you go fishing, a lot of people here go deep sea fishing. That's a good one to have. Like I said, got a hoodie, keep some of the sun off of you. Also, in the springtime here, it's kind of windy, so it'll help out with that. So, looks really good. Got a little thumb hole here if you want to wear it like that, or you don't have to. See, it's a really good hoodie, long sleeve from Willit. So if you're interested, check it out. I highly recommend it. I know I'll be wearing this a lot. Looking for a good one, might be a good one for you.